In this demo, I'll create new interfaces and show how they can be extended and composed into other interfaces. I'll start in the interfaces.ts file and create a new interface named Person. I'll give it two properties, name and email. Both will be strings. Next, I'll create an interface named Author that extends the Person interface. As we saw in the slides, extending an interface is very simple. You just add the extends keyword followed by a comma-separated list of the interfaces you want to extend. I'm only extending one in this example. The extension to Person will consist of a single property named NumBooksPublished, and it will be a number. I'm also going to create another interface that extends Person. This one will be named Librarian and will add a string property named Department and a method named AssistCustomer. The method will take the name of the customer to be assisted as a string and return void. Before we can go experiment with the new interfaces, I need to export them from the module. I'll then jump back over to the app.ts file and add them to the list of imports from the Interfaces module. I'll jump back to the bottom of this file where I've been writing my test code. I want to demonstrate that the author and librarian interfaces do in fact have their own properties as well as those inherited from the person interface. I'll declare a new variable named favoriteAuthor and declare it to be of type author. I'll then start to set it equal to an object literal. I'll press Ctrl plus the spacebar in Visual Studio Code and it shows me a list of the properties available for me to add to an object of type author. If you look closely, you can see that it gets the email property from Person, name is also from Person, and NumBooksPublished is defined on author. I'll now do the same thing for the librarian interface. I'll declare a new favoriteLibrarian variable of type librarian. I'll press Ctrl space inside the object literal and we can see the four available properties. AssistCustomer is the function defined on librarian. Department also comes from librarian, and name and email are defined on person. We'll use those interfaces some more in a bit. I'm going to delete these lines for now and move to a discussion of class types.